Hello, welcome to my new blog. This is a business family here. I'll be doing a voiceover on this video. So a family friend came to our house, so I and my kids we decided to go out to quickly get some few stuff in nearby city, and this is me. And on our way there, they said they wanted to take their children for swimming, so I decided to stop by and then for us to quickly see because my son said he wanted to go with them. Guess what? When we get there, my boy started crying. He said he wanted to join them in their swimming classes. Then I said no because I need to register him. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I actually need to register him. I've been so busy with work. Sometimes we just let work issue take us away from little things that we're supposed to do for our children. This time is like a bonding period for our kids because very soon they'll be out of the house. And then here was our way heading to the swimming classes. So the uncle decided to help me out because my boy was literally crying that he wanted to join them for the swimming classes. So I tried to reassure him. He's four. I tried to reassure him to make him to understand. Although we think these children of ours they don't understand, but I bet you now, guys, they understand more than we think. This is us heading upstairs. It was actually so beautiful to see other kids swimming. I was actually not happy with myself. So I've decided to go and register my boy for swimming. He's four. I know he won't really get it, but practice, they said practice make perfect. So my friends' kids, they were literally in the pool, they were just enjoying themselves. Although I'm not supposed to do some filming in this place, but I decided to do a quick one to see because I was just videoing there. And then that was my daughter. I don't know what she was trying to do. She was just carried away by the water, seeing a lot of people in the pool. I think this is actually officially their first time, and this is me just videoing. And then my friend came in and she decided to say hello. She was with one of her neighbor's daughter. And then I think here I was just trying to explain to my son the reason why he can't join them, but we'll try and register him for one when we get back home. And then here's me explaining the situation to him. Like I said, I wanted to go and do shopping. I wanted to go and buy some food stuff so we can have something to eat at the end of the day. And then this is my son here. I think by now he was a bit relaxed, and then he's not smiling. And then I just see someone that I know. I was waving to them because my friends neighbors, they are really nice people. They make you feel welcome. And this is me. At this time my daughter said she wanted to wee, so we decided to quickly go, and that's my friend's kids there. I decided to take them to use the toilets. And here I finally found my way to the African shop. Oh my god, this lady, she's so amazing. She has a very lovely soul. She actually gave me some information that I needed because I wanted to start selling African food. So she's such an amazing person. She's such a nice person. She make me feel welcome. She even gave me some free stuff. And then this is me just reading what she have. I'm going to leave her link on this video. This is me with Macro. Me and Macro, we are best friends. It's just a very small shop, but she has lovely stuff in there, and she's so nice. When you find a lady that is so nice and she's very open. And then I went back home and then decided to start making my okra soup. I didn't make it that same day though. I think I make it the following day, and the okra now was very strong. I wanted to throw it away, but at the same time I remember the way my mom used to teach me. I decided to start cutting the okra. I chopped them into pieces, then I put them in my pan, then put some oil. And then, so rather than me throwing it away, I need to do some local delicacy where how my mom used to make it back then. It's rather than for us to throw okra that is very strong away, we just dice it and then put oil and okra, and then put meat and then just cook it. And then at the end of the day, you bring some out, and this is the meat. I'm still steaming the meat. And then I decided to put some of the okra now in the mortar, like a mortar, so it's easier for you to do it that way. Guys, please don't throw your okra away. Rather for you to throw your okra away, just dice it and then put it in a pot like this. I don't know what it's called. Is it mortar? I don't know, but I'll just call it mortar. Let me go with what I know. Mortar. So rather than for me throwing the the okra away because it wasn't looking very fresh. You know how okra are in this country, it goes so strong quickly. So rather for me throwing it away, I decided to go my local delicacy way, and which it came out so amazing. It was so delicious. Even my husband, and that doesn't really like okra, he called me and said, "Ah, babe, what did you do?" And that was ewedu. I thank God I got that ewedu that day, because he actually make the whole thing, the whole soup different. Like it brought out the taste out, and I really enjoy it. And that's me cleaning. Oh God, women, God bless all mothers here. You cook and you multitask, and that's my macro. I decided to grate. So I love grate my macro, most especially if I want to cook like soup or stew. It gives it another taste in your food at the end of the day, which is so amazing and nice. And that's my little ewedu that I bought, and then here me putting it inside the soup. It was so delicious. It was so delicious, so delicious. I really enjoyed it. Take me back home, take me back to my hometown. Take me back to my own town. Most Esan people actually cook their okra this way. Different people have their way of cooking their okra, but in my place where I come from, it's so easy for you to cook your okra this way, and it takes so nice. Guys, I think you should try it. You will tell me how it takes. I don't fry my okra. This is most time I just cook my okra like this. So please, guys, try and make your okra this way, and let me know how it tastes. See you in my next video. Bye.